At its Discover 2021 event held in October, the Mazak Corporation cited several reasons for its entry into the Swiss style machining market with the unveiling of its SYNCREX line of machines. With Swiss turning sales accounting for 20% of the entire CNC lathe market, the Mazak Corporation believes Swiss style lathes are no longer niche machines and are becoming the standard in many high-precision, high-production shops. Mazak also noted that its customers are continually looking for ways to automate and move toward lights-out machining. And Swiss-style lathes provide the ability to produce long runs of small, complex parts faster and less costly than on a traditional lathe. Plus, Mazak believes its auto tool setter will go a long way toward eliminating any concerns shops may have about the long changeover times they've associated with Swiss-style machines.
Changeover is one of the big drawbacks or one of the big concerns of customers as they start to go into the Swiss turning market. Changeovers can be rather lengthy on this machine. You have a lot of tools, as we just saw, up to 35 tools in a Swiss machine. So there are companies that have presetters offline, but this is actually an auto tool setter in the machine. So you can see we've got a probe down here in the lower image. That probe can be mounted in the guide bushing of the machine, and we can touch off all the tools for head one automatically, and then we can take that same probe and mount it in our sub spindle and touch off all the tools for head two. Greatly reducing the setup times in the machines and getting the customers more productive.
Good afternoon, I'm Lem Linder with Mazak National Applications Department here at Discover 2021. We're showing you the SYNCREX line of machines from Mazak, a new line of machines. And in this particular demonstration, we are automating the measurement of the tools as they are mounted in the machine. The probing equipment is loaded into the second spindle. As you can see that the tools are mounted in their proper locations, and each tool is selected and measured for its offsets. On this particular model, we are working with two programmable heads or channels, and we have tools mounted on the first head. The second location is the mount that you see now. The third mount is coming up shortly, and then of course the fifth axis, the B axis behind it, would come around and be used at various angles towards the workpiece for other part features. The Swiss style machining has been a very mature product in the industry. Mazak is coming to the table and bringing a lot of new ideas with it. You know, we have a lot of history with multitasking equipment, short runs, quick setups, and what we're showing here is similar ideas for helping make the short setups, and helping make the quick changeovers to a new job. And when the tools are reset for the next job, you know, we can measure them quickly and have the offsets made in short time, getting us quicker to the chip.